Good morning, traders. My name is Michael Sabo, and I'm a senior commodities broker here with RJO Futures. And coming to you here on Tuesday morning, June 19th, going to talk to you about some energy commentary here. First of all, let's start off here. Now looking at the August products here, everything from the crude, the Brent, nat gas, etc. Start to roll out of all the July positions here. But firmer tone here right now. It's a touch weaker on the overnight, but right now we're firmer here this morning. August oil trading around 84.42, up about 83 cents. Brent 96.55, that's up about 50 cents. Check out that spread there. I mean, we're down to around 12 bucks here. That spread has really been narrowing up. I do help clients trade that spread there, WTI versus Brent. So give me a call if you'd like to learn more about how you could potentially take advantage of that. Moving on to the complex, nat gas right now off a little bit, but we've seen an impressive run here over the last week here. Nat gas right now trading up around the 260 area. That's off a little bit here, off about 6 cents here, but still we've seen a pretty impressive run there. Complex RBOB 259.14. We're up about 49 cents there. The heat around 264.76, up around 278. So seeing a pretty big move there in the heat here today. Talking about some of the fundamentals affecting the crude oil market right now. You got a lot of things going on right now. Let's talk about, I mentioned that G20 meeting yesterday, and you know there's fresh ideas coming out of there that the G20 leaders might be boosting money into the IMF. So, you know, I think the market's taken a little bit of a cue from that. In addition to that, here we have our own FOMC meeting here that starts today, and you know, people are kind of looking forward to that. But so far, there's a lot of you know, optimism surrounding that and what may happen. Outside markets have firmer tone here. Take a look at the equities markets, S&Ps. You know, this is the highest level we've seen them here now in about a month here. Seeing a little bit of a break out there. So the outside markets really liking things that are going on. Dollar is weaker. It's one thing, you know, that I really like to follow, and you know, that dollar index there, and you know that dollar relates to, you know, the impact that it can have on the price of not just oil but commodities in general. And we are seeing that dollar starting to weaken here a little bit, so that's adding a lot of support to the market, as well as rumor that ECB might be looking to cut rates again here. So a lot of positive fundamentals in the oil market here right now. Taking a look at the technical side of things here, we have seen a fairly steady pattern here, except for yesterday, but a fairly steady pattern of higher highs and higher lows. Yesterday we saw a nice break out there to the upside. It was subdued. We saw some selling pressure that came into the market here, but overall, the support area held. You know, looking at some of the support areas right now, I'd play off around that 82-ish area for first support, and then down around 81 for major support. Still, as I've been mentioning here, still targeting that 88 to 92-ish area. And I think that's where the market is ultimately going to be heading to. So we'll keep an eye on that. Momentum indicators looks good still. So I still think you want to play that market here. I think medium term to the long side. But, you know, let's face it, I mean, that crude oil, volatile market, so a lot of ebbs and flows in there. So if you're interested in playing the long side or the short side, especially on the intraday, you know, I can talk to you about how to, you know, key in on different entry and exit areas. If you'd like to get added here to the DOE distribution list, I send that email out with the expectations as well as actual numbers. Give me a call, shoot me an email. Remember, later today we have API numbers coming out, so we'll take a look at that late in the afternoon. You know, and if you'd like to, you know, discuss those numbers here, give me a call later in the afternoon. We can review that. Of course, remember that you know, risk of loss does exist in futures trading. It might not be suitable, you know, for all investors. But if you'd like to talk in more detail, give me a call at 1-800-367-7290.